English for daily life.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study here.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I love it.
How long are you here?
For 6 months.
Where do you live?
I live near the school.
Do you live alone?
No, with my friend.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, not yet.
What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
What's the date?
It's August 27th.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you get up early?
Yes, every day.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, at 8 a.m.
What do you eat?
Toast and coffee.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
What time do classes start?
They start at 9 a.m.
How many classes today?
I have 4 classes.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 12:30.
Where do you eat lunch?
In the cafeteria.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, one brother.
Do you have sisters?
No, no sisters.
How old is your brother?
He's 18 years old.
What does your father do?
He's a teacher.
What about your mother?
She's a nurse.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, very much.
Do you call them?
Yes, every week.
Do you have friends here?
Yes, a few friends.
Are they students too?
Yes, from different countries.
What time do you go home?
At 4 p.m.
What do you do at night?
I study and watch TV.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
Are you tired now?
A little tired.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I rest.
Do you have a big family?
No, it's small.
How many people?
4 people.
What do you do together?
We study and have fun.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite food?
I like pasta.
Do you cook?
Yes, simple things.
Can you cook?
Well, not really. I'm learning.
What did you eat today?
Sandwich and salad.
Do you like spicy food?
No, too hot for me.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need water.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
How do you like it?
With milk and sugar.
Do you drink tea?
Sometimes green tea.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, especially apples.
What about vegetables?
I like carrots.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, but not much.
Are you vegetarian?
No, but I eat healthy.
Where do you buy food?
At the supermarket.
Do you eat out often?
No, I cook at home.
What's for dinner tonight?
I don't know yet.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Is it cold?
No, it's nice.
Is it raining?
No, but cloudy.
Do you need a jacket?
No, it's warm enough.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Why do you like spring?
Everything is green.
Do you like summer?
Yes, but too hot.
What about winter?
It's okay. I like snow.
Do you like rain?
Sometimes it's peaceful.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, in my bag.
What's the temperature?
About 20.
Is it windy?
A little windy.
Will it rain tomorrow?
I don't know.
Do you check the weather?
Yes, on my phone.
What should I wear?
Like clothes today.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Are you sick?
No, I'm healthy.
Do you have a headache?
No, I'm fine.
Are you tired?
A little tired.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometime.
Where do you shop?
At the mall.
What do you buy?
Clothes and books.
How much is this?
It's $20.
Is it expensive?
A little expensive.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, here it is.
Can I try it on?
Yes, fitting room is there.
Does it fit?
Yes, perfectly.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, all cards.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here you are.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus.
Where's the bus stop?
Around the corner.
How much is the fare?
$2.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Is the bus always on time?
Usually, yes.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't drive.
Can you drive?
Yes, but no car here.
Do you take taxis?
Sometimes if late.
How much does it cost?
About $15.
Is there a train station?
Yes, downtown.
How do you get there?
By subway.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk daily.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I prefer walking.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Are you sad?
No, I'm okay.
Are you worried?
No, not really.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes with exams.
How do you relax?
I listen to music.
Do you see a doctor?
Only when sick.
Do you take medicine?
No, I don't need any.
Do you walk to school?
No, too far.
Is it safe to walk?
Yes, very safe.
Do you ride a bike?
No, but I want to.
Where can I rent one?
Near the park.